Ladies and gentlemen from the Philippines, pinakamanggaling, numero uno, the magician, Efren Bata Reyes!
The 8 ball, look at that.
Damn! Ang galing mo pala dyan ah.
Swerte lang yun. What a great shot by Efren. Okay, he hits it successfully. Look at the cue ball coming down behind the 8 ball.
Perfect shot.
Till it's cool. Nice. Another one.
Okay, he played it safe. Very smart.
Grabe.
Emotional, damn it!
Naku pa tayo. Wow, wow, wow.
Wala na, finish na.
Bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Magandang araw muli mga kabigarista. Isa na naman pong laro ni Efren Bata Reyes ang ating mapapanood ngayon sa araw na to. 2001 Tokyo 9 Ball Semifinal, Efren Bata Reyes versus Warren Kiamco. So Philippines versus Philippines. Race 13 po ito, semifinal. So battle on lag.
Largest purse ever.
Si Efren ang nanalo sa lag. So
The largest
siya ang magbe-break sa unang rack ng laban at ang patakaran dito alternate break.
ball solidly. Brings the cue ball back down table with a draw stroke. Has pocket
May pumasok sa break ni Efren at may kita sa bola 1. Pero may konting problema siya dito sa bola 2. Grabe. Perfect ang ginawang tira nyo na Efren. Sabay break sa bola 2. At may kuha. Galing. Kaso nga lang, cover ang bola 5 or bola 4. Sa Efren Bata, gumamit ng reel. Pero, grabe. Ibang klase pa talaga si Magician. May halong swerte o papano. Pero talagang Magician is always a magician. So, napakagaling din naman na laro ng Pilipinas ng kalaban ni Efren Bata Reyes, si Warren Kiamco, ang gold medalist ng Cebu, Asian gold medalist. So, Efren Bata Reyes aatake dito sa rack number 1.
I'm not going to say it gets out because I was surprised last time he hit the find that. So low left hand short and the cue ball back up table.
Apat na bola na lang para kay Efren Bata Reyes.
He'll come off the rail straight across pretty much so. And 1 on 7, right?
Medyo alanganin itong tira na to. Pero pidaw ka, pag sa Efren Bata ang titira, nako po. Expect the unexpected. Medyo alanganin ang preparation. Last ball para kay Efren Bata Reyes. No problem.
So after November
So 1-0 na ang score. Lamang na po sa Efren Bata Reyes. Rack 2, Warren on break. May pumasok sa break ni Warren Kiamco.
Very nice break. Ball's open nicely. Two balls towards center field. Shot off on one ball. Very serious and determined here. Played in one nice and easy in the corner. Not too hard. Just come off the
2001, 23, which is 47 years old si Efren Bata Reyes sa panahon na to.
gives him the idea of what kind of position he has to play.
Warren Kiamco,
Ball.
hindi rin basta-basta nagpapatinag to.
Pretty much so here. He wants to be pretty straight on the four ball.
Isa ring napakagaling naman ng laro. Asian gold medalist. So,
Let's go with the four ball. And they just power punch it over to the side. Slow over there.
apat na bola pa para sa
Shot on the five ball.
pambato ng Cebu.
Slow, low, left hand spin. Either kill it or bring it back down to the center side. So he brought it back down.
Take note mga kabilyarista, semi-final po ito at kung sino ang mananalo sa dalawang manglalaro ng Pilipinas ay siya po ang lalaban na sa final dito sa 2001 Tokyo 9 Ball Championship.
Wow, that's a big mistake there.
Sumablay ang tira ni Warren Kiamco, Efren Bata Reyes.
Shot on the seven ball. Probably going to bank this ball into the two ball. 2 yards around.
Alanganin na tira sa bola 7
Okay, he played it safely. Very smart.
pero isang napakatinding safety shot ang ginawa ni Efren. So dito natin makikita ang katatagan ng pulso nitong si Warren Kiamco. Magawan pa kaya niya ng paraan ang sitwasyon na to. Oh,
That's an error. He shouldn't have done. He should have made
foul shot at mulinhan para kay Efren. So
7, 8,
wala na to mga kabilyarista.
an opportunity to go like 2-0. Al-Shakiba here is going to
Ising-isin lang to kay Efren Bata. Grabe, pinaikot pa yung bola.
about perfect speed. Does not want to be didn't want to be frozen on the rail there. It could have been a very tough shot.
Last balls sa bola 9 sa kailawang pagkakataon, Efren Bata Reyes. 2-0.
There it is. First two games go to Efren Reyes. And Warren knows he should have gotten out like he told
Punta na tayo sa rack 3, Efren break. Dalawang rack na ang kalamangan ni Efren.
Efren is a very good break. He's breaking well. Awful tough to beat.
May pumasok na bola sa break ni Efren, pero
I guess it's going to be okay because there's nothing to worry about.
nagkadikit yung dalawang bola dito. Ball 7 at saka ball number 8.
Fine because of their position.
Ay, ball number 3.
The four ball.
So alanganin to.
There comes the extreme pink ball.
So ito ang kailangan gawa ng paraan ni Efren.
You got to make sure you just make that clear. Once you're in that, you can't find it.
Pasok pa rin. Medyo alanganin yung mga kabilyarista, pero sa tamang tira nagawa ni Efren at open ang bola 4 para sa kanyang susunod na tira.
There it is. So the five in the same pocket. You may see all four going come around 2 yards.
Nice shot by Magician.
Notice how low he's seeing the ball, low left.
Efren Bata talagang umatake na naman dito sa rack 3.
Little angle.
Mukhang
Go back to the seven ball in the same pocket.
madadagdagan na naman ang kalaman niya kay Warren Kiamco.
Anytime, just get to the day of one shot.
Last 3 balls.
Efren is not what we call a slow player. I'd say that
So wala nang gamot. Efren Bata Reyes para sa kanyang katlong sunod na panalo dito sa laban nila ni Warren Kiamco at gagawing 3 ang kalamangan.
he's a great player. Efren Reyes. Here, the third game, takes the lead.
So 3-0 na ang score. Rack 4 na tayo. Warren on break. Ang bilis na nangyari. Naku po. Diyos ko. Cubal scratch sa break ni Warren Kiamco.
There's one ball on the break.
Efren Bata Reyes, ball in hand.
By the rail for the 2 ball inside. Little kiss there.
Sakto para sa bola 2.
Stop it for the 3 ball. Four ball, 3 ball on the side, 4 balls on the side. May see a cute little position shot here. Everything's over the bottom now. Back up to the 2 ball. Inside, good come inside, the screen straight.
Wala na to. Sa tingin ko, uupo na lamang dito si Warren Kiamco sa rack number 4.
5 row, try to get the cue ball around. Take 5 in the side pocket.
Combination.
So many different layouts of 9 ball. You never know where you're going to shoot the ball.
Oh, pasok pa rin.
Most of the ball.
Open pala yon at wala nang problema. 2 balls para kay Efren Bata Reyes. Para sa kanyang ika-4 na panalo. Sunod-sunod na panalo. Para gawing 4-0 ang score. Rack 5 na tayo. Efren on break. 4 consecutive racks. Panalo na Efren. Walang pumasok sa break ni Efren. May kita sa bola 1. Pero nag-push out si Warren Kiamco. Tingnan natin kung i-grab ni Efren ng opportunity. Pero medyo alanganin na tira to. Warren Kiamco tumira pero hindi pumasok. Efren Bata Reyes para sa bola 1. Safety shot at perfect. Good shot ang tira ni Warren, pero iniwan niyang open kay Efren Bata ang bola 1. Grabe. Long shot yun, alanganin na tira. Ito, walang butas mga kabilyarista. Ibang klase talaga itong si Magician. Ginamit ang bola 4. Pasok. Hari talaga ng kiss ball shot tong sa Efren Bata Reyes. Pinaganda pa ang preparation. Sakto. So 5 bola na lang para kay Magician. Mukhang pinaglalaroan na Efren Bata Reyes ang kanyang kababayan na si Warren Kiamco. Pero wag ka, matindi rin itong bilyarista itong si Warren Kiamco. Pero mukhang pinaglalaroan lang na Efren Bata Reyes dito sa kanilang laban. Yun oh. Easy shot sa ball number 9. Going to 5 racks. Consecutive racks. Win of Efren Bata Reyes. Punta na tayo sa rack 6. Warren no break. 5-0 na ang score. Diyos ko po naman. May score ka naman na Warren. Ayan, may pumasok na bola sa break ni Warren. Biruin nyo pa. Alternate break pa to ha. Talagang sunod-sunod na 5 consecutive rack ang ginawang panalo na Efren.
play the ball. Watch it doesn't touch the 5 ball there. Play it easy. There you go. Knock that ball loose.
Nice shot.
Perfect.
Nice stats by
So what he did
Warren Kiamco.
try to come out toward the center of the table to the 5 ball.
Medyo nalamigan lang siya kanina sa kanyang tira.
Back that table. This is exactly what he's trying to do.
Oh, sakto pa rin.
Maybe it's going to come down. If he came down too far, he wouldn't have had a shot. But if he didn't come down far enough, he would have to deal with the 9 ball. Now just go up table to the 6 ball. Actually, he was dead straight on that, so he was okay going straight in. Just didn't want an angle on the other side. So
Medyo malakas ng konti ang kanyang patras.
6 7 ball. Be careful on this shot.
No problem. Para kaya Warren,
And that's
sakto pang preparation sa bola 7. Perfect. Magkasunod-sunod na to.
it's awfully tough to get that first game. Once you get it, you feel a lot better.
Unang panalo ng
Sometimes it can
Asian gold medalist na si Warren Kiamco dito sa laban nila na Efren Bata Reyes.
the rail, they'll take the
Susungkitin ang Rock 6.
Warren can't go.
So 5-1 na ang score.
1,000 more.
Lamang pa rin ang 4 na rock sa Efren. Rock 7,
Nice break.
Efren on break.
Look at the cue ball. Perfect. Made the one on the side. One
Dalawang bola ang pumasok sa break na Efren.
4 balls on the break.
At open ang bola 2 para kay Magician. Nako po,
The 1 ball.
delikado na naman
Looks
to.
like he made the 1 and the 4 ball.
Medyo malakas ang patras na Efren.
So for 1 more game.
So gagamit pa siya ng banda dito. So, slow shot na lang ginawa niya.
You know where the country, this country, about 1980 sometime. He's been winning tournaments ever since.
Nako po, 4 na bola na lang para kay Magician.
Also a very good
Isang
jump
perfect na preparation na lang sa bola 7.
to the Wayne Martel.
Muling ibabalik ni Efren ang kanyang kalamangan sa 5 rock.
Make sure he catches the 7 ball first, not the rail first. Nicely done.
Nako po, maning-mani talaga yun. Napakahirap na tira yun.
The whole tournament.
Efren Bata Reyes
Straight in on the 9.
para sa kanyang ika-6 na panalo. Susungkitin ng rock 7.
Okay, that's from Ray. Break and run out.
6-1 ang score. Nakalahati na si Efren dito mga kabilyarista. Isa pa lang si Warren at nasa rock 8 na tayo.
Controls that cue.
Warren Kiamco ang magbe-break. Naku po. May pumasok na bola sa break ni Warren. Open ang bola 1.
Side of the screen.
Sakto ang kanyang preparation sa bola 2.
Draw back a little bit. Leave yourself an angle on the
So, pero hindi yata pwedeng patrasin ng malakas to. Kailangan ma-perfect niya ang kanyang preparation. So, sinimplihan na lang ni Warren at long shot sa ball number 3.
Got behind the ball in the beginning of the match. That's it. So it's going to be tough to beat if he keeps playing like that. It may be even impossible to beat, actually. So Warren has to just make sure unforced errors. Low left hand. Brings the ball to the other
Pinasayad pa sa reel.
side. 6 ball on the 7 ball. He comes up with it. Okay, the 8 ball was probably on the break, so it was the 6 ball.
Warren Kiamco. Humahataw dito sa rock 8. 2 bola na lang para sa Asian gold medalist ng Cebu.
Cue ball up the rail, top to 7, the cue ball front rail at national. Warren with his chance to cut the lead down. And he does.
6-2 na ang score.
So, it's the one
Lamang pa rin ang 4 na rock sa Efren.
base that he
At punta na tayo sa rock 9. Efren on break.
can't beat that right there. That's strong. You hit that ball like a
May pumasok na bola sa break ni Efren. Oh, Nabitin ang bola 2.
110.
So walang pumasok sa break ni Efren.
Down by the 8 ball.
Naiwan sa bunganga ng butas ang bola 2. Warren Kiamco.
Oh, he kicked.
Ginamitan niya ng
Nicely done.
bandang malupit.
So he played a kick shot.
Pasok.
Combination shot, folks. How do you like that? Length to the table. Made the 2 ball. Played position nicely on the 1. He knows he has to do something to get back into this match. He's gonna have
Saktong preparation.
safety play with that from the side. So that opened up a nice opportunity to run the table. Himself an angle. So he'll be very careful here.
Nice shot by Warren.
That right now on that side. So that he has a shot on the center.
Sakto ang angle. Nako. Tutulak na lang ba o papaatrasin?
9 ball wide open, so no problem. We'll just do
So pinatras na lang ni Warren Kiamco. Sakto ang preparation sa bola 8. Warren Kiamco umahataw dito sa rack number 9. At tatapisin ng kalamangan ni Efren Bata Reyes ng isa pang rock.
break for one. Ephraim's break.
6-3 na ang score.
Gets out on Ephraim's break, and that's what he has to do to get back into this match.
Rack 10 na tayo. Oh, Warren won in rack 10. Efren won in rack 11. So ganun pa rin. Punta na tayo sa rack 12. 7-4 ang score. Mga kabilyarista, may nag-jump po tayo ng mga ilang racks, 2 rack. Medyo mahaba po yung video. So, kinuha na lang natin po yung mga magagandang
Over for the 2 ball on the side.
highlights dito sa laban nila ni Efren.
Here's a little test of his speed control, 2 ball control, everything. There it is. And look out. He's going to hit that ball. There it is. He's going to play the 2 ball up toward the center of the table again.
Efren Bata
In angle, so stay with us. We'll be right back.
mukhang susungkitin
Welcome
ang
back.
rack number 12.
Ephraim still at the table, of course.
Perfect.
Figure out position on the 5 ball. And
Oh, medyo lumakas ng konti pero okay pa rin para kay Magician.
then the 2 ball over to the side. We're on the left-hand side for the 6 ball in the same pocket.
You know,
That's an angle. Stepping to hold his two very loose in the back until he's ready to hit the cue ball.
3 bola na lang para kay Efren.
Two. Big low right hand spinning the cue ball back in the center.
Slow shot na lang ang ginawa niya.
Well, he caught the rail there because of the cue ball. Big foul on that ball. The opposite ball goes to the pocket. He had a 2-1.
Mhm. Pinagulong na lang ni Efren.
Ephraim wins.
At perfect, saktong preparation sa bola 9. Efren Bata Reyes, lalamang uli ng 4 na rock.
The ball on his break will go ahead again in the match by Pilgrim. Into one solid triangle.
Rock 30 na tayo. Efren on break. 8-4 ang score. Pabor kay Efren Bata Reyes.
And does he get a break? Okay.
Walang pumasok sa break ni Efren.
One takes up
At open ang bola 1.
player safety.
Pero may problema sa bola 4.
The one
Dumikit sa bola 5.
but the 2 ball is the problem. Now, it doesn't look like it can go from here, the 2 ball. It's not going to go now for sure. So, drew the ball back a little bit too far.
Parin Kiamco.
Behind the
Possible safety shot siguro ang kanyang tira dito.
Let's see what he can do. It looks like he's going behind it. Yeah, I didn't like that at all because that was too hard to do.
Pero iniwan niyang open kay Efren ang bola 2.
He can do. Played a different type of safety there. So Ephraim now coming to table. A little inside in on the cue ball. Right hand spin. Playing the 2 in the corner. Notice the cue ball comes back up table for the 3 ball.
Lumampas ang preparation ni Efren.
Keep an eye on this though. The cue ball control right behind the 8 ball. The cue ball.
Safety shot for Magician.
And there it is, forcing him to kick it to 3 ball. Looks like 7-8.
Efren Bata Reyes talagang pinahirapan itong si Warren Kiamco.
3-9 combination with Wicked.
Good shot by Warren.
Good hit. Look out. Boy.
Uh-oh.
Put it right behind.
Mukhang may kuha.
Don't think he can make this play. Oh, he can.
May kuha nga.
Good, he had a shot. So, I think he's got to be careful when he's finding six because he wants to get almost straight in on 5. The bounce off the rail there is perfect.
Naku po, delikado to.
Himself an angle on the stick ball down towards the bottom right hand corner. Perfect.
Apat na bola na lang uli.
Not just the point, the side
At
pocket.
kalat na kalat ang mga bola.
There it is. Cue ball back over to the 8-7.
Efren Bata Reyes para sa kanyang ikasyam na panalo.
There it is. 8 ball in the side pocket. Great shot by Evan.
Pinatras pa ng todo ni Magician.
Keep an eye out. Easy. Nice and delicate. He gets this. A little low right. There it is. Nice touch by Evan.
Last ball, 9 ball.
And that's going to make his lead even bigger. So, Evan Ray.
9-4 na ang score. Lamang na naman ng 5 rack sa Efren. Rack 40 na tayo. Warren on break.
Did he pocket the ball? He stays the same side.
Walang pumasok sa break ni Warren.
Bring the 1 ball down table. Bring the 2 ball back. Either behind the 8 or back behind the 6. He put it back behind the 8. And
Oops. Mukhang may kita.
like in the screen. Cue ball, he can hit the 1. He can hit it thin and come from behind. He's got to hit
Apat na lang kailangan ni Efren na panalo.
Oh, boy, what a hit. Very good hit.
Kita pa rin ang bola 1 para kay Magician.
Decimal play is getting the cue ball back behind the 8 again, I believe. 4 ball by 3. Put the cue ball down behind the 9. And that's exactly what he decided to do. And
Tinago pa yata. Oops, lumabas.
make sure you make the 1 ball.
May kuha ang bola 1.
Come around 2 rails to the 2 ball.
May kuha nga.
Come around, give him a break. Get a break. Oh,
Minamalas itong si Warren Kiamco. Cover pa. Pero may kita sa bola 2.
just making sure that we're on the rail. So
Kita ng bagya
hopefully
ang side ng bola 2. Safety shot. Malakas.
he'll get on top. Even though if he can, he will shoot. If he can't, he'll play a nice safety, just leaving the 2 ball there. Bringing the cue ball back behind you. And he does bank it.
Tik na oh. Pwede pa pala yun.
Again, a little fortunate he got because, well, he actually had, Warren actually has a shot here. It's a 3 combination. So,
Warren Kiamco nahihirapan.
kiss combination.
Pinaglalaruan lang ng Magician dito sa kanilang laban. Semi-final to mga kabilyarista. Pasok pa rin.
Beautifully done.
Nice shot by Warren Kiamco. Sakto pang preparation.
Shot on the 1 line. That's the rest
So
of the
sinabi niya,
take off the
hindi pa tapos ang laban.
rumors about getting behind ball.
Champ
Up inside it.
Efren Bata.
Get out. Very capable. Top player. Philippines.
May bubuga pa ang aking tira.
15
Ayan
ball.
nga po at
Which will really hurt him. Because really the difference in this match is the break because 3 times he failed.
umahataw dito sa Rock 14 si
Wants to bounce off that rail a little bit.
Warren
Come on.
Kiamco.
Okay. Forward play rail first.
Matagal pa to, 4 na rock pa.
There it is. Come up table 37. Little angle. So he can get the cue ball off the rail pretty easily. As long as it's frozen. It's not frozen, be very careful. Even if it's close, just there you go. So you want to make sure you get out now. Anything errors if you use 90 degrees. There it is. Look out for the side.
Nice shot kay Warren.
Okay. Warren can't
9-5 na ang score. Apat pa rin na rack ang kalamangan ng Efren. Punta na tayo sa rack 15. Efren on break.
You think he'd lose power that way, but
Uy, pumasok na bola sa break ni Efren.
he is breaking.
Dalawang bola ang pumasok at open ang bola 1. Diyos ko po.
Nice chance of 3 ball.
May open ang bola 2.
Here, bring the cue ball to the center of the table. Make sure you get up there in the center of the table. Perfect. Notice the 5 balls by the side pocket.
A, B, C, D na lang to kay Efren.
It's hard not to get out. It's a super break. Popping 2 balls on the break. Getting great
Mhm.
position on the team. I think he even switched sides breaking in this time. Breaking from the other side before, I believe. So it doesn't matter where. Just make the 7. Don't be too fancy. Just make it. Bring the cue ball off the rail a little bit. It's just going to come anyway. Don't try to overjuice it. 30 goes.
Dalawang bola na lang. Efren Bata Reyes para sa kanyang 10 panalo.
See him in there too hard. Slide the ball a little bit. There it is. Slide. Down table. Hold.
Oh. Muntik nang dumikit sa reel. 9 ball.
Efren Reyes.
10-5 na ang score. Balik na naman sa 5 rack ang kalamangan na Efren. Rack 16 na tayo. Warren on break.
Not again. Wow.
Walang pumasok sa break ni Warren. May kuha sa bola 1.
Ball in the corner. Come back inside wheel and come back out to the center of the table.
Pasok.
There it is for the 2 ball. Come back out for the 3 ball. The right hand spin.
Nako po.
Excellent.
Kalat na kalat ang mga bola.
For that, it's hard to get in trouble in the center of the table, especially if the balls are open.
Kabisado ni Efren ng ano. Ang tira niya oh. Mhm.
Okay, now he has an angle on the 6. Back up table. A little bit of English on the cue ball, a little bit of left. Shake comes off the rail. Comes over, play to the side rail. Originally comes off that side rail like that, so it's just right here. See the angle he has. Just a little bit of low English, very little right. Not much at all.
Efren Bata, 2 bola na naman para sa kanya.
Looks like he's a machine.
Para sa kanyang 11 panalo.
Even dead stroke, folks. Efren Reyes.
11-5 na ang score. Pinakamalaking lamang na Efren. Rack 17 na tayo. Efren on break. 6 na rack ang kalamangan ni Efren.
Here comes the 2 ball. Here it is. Look at how nice this is. There's the 2 ball.
May pumasok pang bola
8 balls on
sa break ni Efren. Open pang bola 2. Wala na.
Second keeps running out. And running out on Warren's break. It's impossible for Efren to lose. So here we go down
Efren
table
Bata, oh.
to the left hand.
Grabe. Medyo malakas
Side of
yata.
the table.
Sakto pa rin.
Now, this is right there. So what he wants to do is either get straight in on the side, or he can come around up table. Now he's going to be straight in on the side.
Sideball pa lang preparation na yun.
Okay. Okay, now make sure he does not get behind the 8.
Nag-alanganin. So, corner pocket na lang.
And there it is.
Sakto.
Come off the side rail, a little bit of spin on the cue ball, right hand spin for the 7 ball.
Ako po. Wala nang gamot ang mga kabilyarista. 3 balls na lang naiiwan. At saktong preparation na Efren. Itutulak na lang ang bola 8 para sa kanyang saktong preparation sa bola 9.
Almost every opportunity.
Efren Bata Reyes is now going on the hill.
Efren Reyes. This puts another game on his side.
12-5 na ang score.
One more game closer.
Punta na tayo sa rack 18. Warren on break.
Break actually.
Efren Bata Reyes, mga kabilyarista, nasa hill na. Isa na lang, panalo na siya.
In the bag right here. Take the ball on break. He's still hitting him very hard.
Walang pumasok sa break ni Warren. Nako po.
No ball on.
Efren Bata Reyes. Open ang bola 1.
Good Roy, gonna throw back a little bit. There it is.
Sakto pang preparation sa bola 2. Pero may problema siya dito sa bola 3.
Cut it in. Caught himself.
Medyo nakadikit sa bola 8.
Oh, it didn't matter. The two ball was very close to the pocket. He needs to get up.
Kinapos ang preparation ni Magician.
And there's an error. The position's right. But it's gonna probably play.
Isang napakatinding safety shot. Efren Bata Reyes.
So,
Wala talagang patawad dito.
after failing
Dito na ang kanyang kalamangan pero safety shot pa rin ang ginawa niya para kay Warren Kiamco.
kick shot,
Good shot ang tira ni Warren.
hits it successfully
Muntik nang pumasok ang bola 9.
tonight in the corner.
Efren Bata Reyes. A possible combination.
Pocket. So you see him play the three ball down corner.
Pero pinili niya ang corner pocket.
And there it is.
At
Nice
sakto
shot.
ang preparation niya sa bola 4.
Prediction on this match here, I'd have to say that Efren's going to be running out because every time he gets an open shot,
Nako po,
an open table,
Efren Bata. Hindi na nito bibitawan ang kanyang tako.
for him to put them
At hindi na papalagpasin pa ang rack na to. Sa tingin ko lang mga kabilyarista.
comfortable.
4 na bola na lang para kay Efren Bata Reyes.
$1,000 get in the finals for $160,000. Has 4 balls on the table.
Oh,
Wait a minute now. Wait a minute.
over ang kanyang preparation. Masyadong malakas.
Look at that. See, take your mind off. Look at that.
Napatawa at napailing na lang po itong si Efren. Napangiti.
Trying to quickly figure it was all over. He's got
So,
it back to himself. Now he's in
Masi shot for Magician.
Too
Masyadong makapalang tama sa bola 7.
much. Too much of
Binigyan pa niya ng pagkakataon itong si Warren Kiamco dito sa Rock 18. So, kaya bang ipasok ni Warren Kiamco ang bola 7? Sablay ang tira ni Warren.
No. And Efren
Wala na to. Efren Bata Reyes. 3 bola na lang.
cannot make a ball now. So Efren will go ahead.
Perfect ang kanyang preparation. Sa bola 8.
Very tough to overcome.
Efren Bata is now going to win.
Efren
At nagkunsib na si Warren Kiamco at si Efren po ang papasok sa final. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood mga kabigarista. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel Serlan TV, mag-subscribe na po kayo at pindutin ang notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa ating susunod na mga video. I-like po ang ating video, i-share po ito, upload. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay sa ating channel Serlan TV. God bless po.